it's Miss Lish here at the well, and today I am going to show you how to make a silky smooth Play-Doh with only 2 ingredients you already have at home. First ingredient is hair conditioner. Any old hair conditioner works for this recipe. And our second ingredient is cornstarch. We're going to start by measuring out 1 cup of cornstarch. If you want to make a bigger batch of Play-Doh, you can. The recipe is just going to be 2 parts cornstarch to 1 part hair conditioner. So for us today, a little messy, woo! We're going to use 1 cup of the cornstarch, and it's okay if you're not perfect. You can add more or less as we go. Add your hair conditioner. The nice thing about this Play-Doh is that it moisturizes your hands too. And we all need that right now, don't we? Add it to my bowl. You can use your hands to mix it. If you don't like the way that goopy hair conditioner feels on your hands, then you can use a spoon. And you're just going to mix it until it starts to get the Play-Doh consistency. You're going to mix it until the timer goes off. I'm kidding. That's my dear friend and co-teacher, Mr. Sean, beeping back there. He's my timer. Okay, so I'm starting to get there. I am going to just dump this on the table like that. It's got a light green color because I use green hair conditioner. If you want to add food coloring, you absolutely can. I'm wearing a wedding ring. You take that off. And just knead it like dough. If it's a little too sticky, it's sticking to my hands right now, add a touch more cornstarch. It's kind of like making oobleck, but because we're using hair conditioner instead of water, we're going to be able to mold it more. So it doesn't quite feel like the Play-Doh that you buy at the store. I think it feels a little bit softer and a little bit more exciting. And there we go. Didn't take very long to reach the right consistency. It is a little bit stretchy. If you pull it, it'll break apart like when you play with oobleck. And besides making a ball and stretching it out, I'm going to show you some other ways that I like to play with Play-Doh here at school, here at the well. And these are some tools that you might have at home too. My basket here, I have a seashell. You can use a seashell to make a print in your Play-Doh. And you're going to talk about fossils and imprints and things. You can do the same thing if you have any toy bugs or toy animals, toy dinosaurs can stomp in here. Here we have a little fly. Ew, it's getting stuck in my Play-Doh. He left a nice little imprint. Maybe I can bury him. Oh no, where did it go? Oh, there he is. I saved him. And the nice thing about this is it's really easy to wash off too. I also like to use sticks in my Play-Doh to help build things, or these beautiful glass stones that you can find in the floral department of most stores. You can make yourself a nice little place for your bugs to live. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be back later with some more videos of Play-Doh and activities you can do at home. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.